My anger is cool, my anger was created. But why? To be cool, to fit in? It's all bullshit. Ha or not, truth is masked as lies are untold. Anger, this emotion runs wild, but who really knows it? Some people care and others don't. Who's really pissed? Are we all seemingly happy? Do we want more? Do we need more? How about we all stay angry? The new American dream, the pursuit of anger and loathing, sociable to stay happy, isolated to stay pissed, makes sense, hated to be liked and liked to be hated, sad, happy, angry, our lives are emotion roller coasters. Switch, look for the trigger, the spark, the flame, a chain reaction amongst people. Everyone's normal and happy, now all of a sudden we're all sad and pissed. I want to be cool. I keep seeing myself getting slapped. Is tragedy ahead? Some kind of misfortune? It's happened once before. Why not again? I must be careful. Will this world ever change? But wait, this world does change.
We are all brainwashed by our own free will. But is it brainwashing or freeing one's mind? A closed mind to tell all, but an open one will surely fall. A horrific sight, my mind versus yours, a battle of expression. No winner here, destined to tie. I eat your brains and you eat mine. But to believe the words can only mean one thing. I have you under control. Agree with me or not? Do you feel above or below me? There can only be one on top. They might come for me after I make the fall, but a tall tale will surely be told when fighters for peace dare to be bold. So are we brainwashed or critical of what we're told? All I know is fuck the war. Peace and love have a grip when a van and bus are to be sold. 40 colors on the wheel. I know I must not steal, but still what? A mentality or lifestyle? Red for me and I, black for death and an eye. They want truth. Blue for change and to be free. Green for an opponent and a challenge. Beware of the lie. Yellow for something different and brown to do something. What an adventure we can have today. Just a mentality or lifestyle? Out in the woods they ignore what they're told. Creating something new and switching every day. 20 colors on the hill, I know I mustn't kill. Purple for playfulness and soothing as we go on into the night. Orange for a party and somewhat of a fright. Oh, how a mixture can heal. 10 colors left, better not show off or I'll be the rest. Silver, gold, and bronze. Who will win the medal? God damn, I hate the competition. Here's the shift, don't miss it. A lifestyle or a mentality? Who will sell it better? 5 colors that will decide it all? A rose maroon to still the horn? As 3 hooks are placed in someone's brain as space is torn. Ah, blue, I'm sad today as a baby was born. But a darker shade will show nothing but truth and relief. Ah, blue, emotion over feelings, you be the judge. White, the easiest to stain, but the hardest to let go. I hate to the heavens as much as black will allow me. I love to the depths of hell as much as black will allow me. I think it will rain today, gray like the clouds. What the future holds, I don't know. The shadiness of this one always leaves a question mark. Peace and love or chaos and hate? A mentality or a lifestyle? Go green.